Hanin kasngi ka arpo arterik unailur kaweni kisang san pertai kejela kabalong ru kasang riulom ka United Democratic Party kalapan pau ya kejing sengolingo bakanong bak shilong ka Bakarta jungka kalakot palat spasnem hanrei kalasakan ta ya ka sarkar pedang ban itu ya ka kum kaweni kisar ka bahak bapok kata ka kerdan smart city ya kani lapan pau du working president jungka UDP ba bindo emlanong ha kejing kendo bakinong pathai kubor hanin kejanmin.
The government has been wanting, even made it public also about smart city. I think we have seen in the newspapers last 2-3 years. But now again, we lost the race. Whereas some other states, like Sikkim and Nagaland, have lost. We feel that the government has failed to project and present its case in a proper manner. State government. Shillong city is a capital under the 3 successive governments. So from that count, that this is the oldest capital in the Northeast. Oldest capital in the Northeast. And one of the oldest in India. One of the oldest in India too. Why can't it be given the smart city status?